Hi, Sam Burke, Corporate Chef for Meat and Livestock Australia. We're always creating new recipes, but the fundamental thing is how to cook the perfect steak. There's nothing like a great Australian steak, and here's a perfect example. Cube roll, otherwise known as Scotch fillet. And they're great value at the moment, versatile and a family favourite. We're going to show you how to grill the perfect steak right now. The first thing is to get all your preparation ready for a barbecue. Barbecue on, coals nice and hot, and just let them calm down a bit before you put your steak on. Because if we put the steak straight onto the coals when it's hot, it's going to cook too fast and you won't get the desired result you want. Secondly is a great bit of meat, and we've got a wonderful Scotch fillet here. If you have a look at the top bit, this muscle here is called the spinalis, and then there's some fat in between it, and then we've got our meat. And what happens, that melts down into the fillet and gives a wonderful flavour and texture when we're grilling our steak. So this cut is prime cooking for a great steak for your family, friends or your customers. When you go and buy your steak, you want a nice thick cut, 3 to 4 centimetres, because if the cut's too thin, the steak cooks too fast and you won't get the degree of doneness that you want. Steak straight onto the centre of the barbecue. Now it's time to turn our steak horizontally. For this steak, 3 to 4 minutes each side, and then half the amount of cooking time for resting. Pro tip, get yourself a meat thermometer, then you can probe it to the exact doneness that you want. For medium rare, 60 to 62, and then when you're resting it, those temperatures will come up to 65 degrees. How lucky are we to have this great Australian produce? This steak, fabulous, the family's gonna love it. Steaks are off the grill. Pro tip, we must rest our steaks. Light aluminium foil straight over the steak. Why? Because when you cook a steak, all the juices go to the centre. While we're resting it, they redistribute to the ends, which gives a wonderful eating experience. I don't know about you, but I'm going to devour this steak. Join me next time for more red meat action.